been anywhere around Fort Stewart recently, you've probably heard this sound.
There's nothing like being in the turret of a tank and watching or having a 120mm round go off next to you and that large tank tube kick back. Rock the vehicle.
The 1st Armored Brigade Combat Team is currently in the field conducting gunnery with their M1A2 and Bradley fighting vehicles.
Where's Brad?
Yes, today we started with driver's station. We teach them about the parts inside the tank, how to store, drive the tank, basically, the operations.
Just did just a basic support by fire with one section of tanks, while the other section of tanks did a buzzsaw. We only had 3 tanks out there.
We got to be ready to fight all the time, right? We were able to fight at night, and it's just a different condition at night. The landscape looks differently. Looking The landscape looks differently, looking through your sights looks differently, and that driver's got to be able to maneuver over this terrain.
Installation has a noise complaint process, which is used every time a complaint is received. Each complaint is researched and also sent to the garrison commander. This process is important.